So today I'm about to show you how to hide the sidebar in Fluid.io. If you want to make your workspace instantly cleaner, maximize your screen real estate, and focus entirely on your AI node canvas without any distractions, this quick trick is absolutely the best. First, open your active project canvas in Fluid.io. Look over to the top left corner where your main navigation panel sits. Right at the edge of the sidebar menu, you will see a small arrow button or a double arrow collapse icon that controls the panel visibility. Next, simply click Collapse button once. The entire sidebar will instantly slide off your screen, giving you full screen space to stretch out your complex workflows and view all your interconnected nodes. Now, whenever you need to switch pages, open settings, or view your history again, don't worry. Just hover your mouse over or click the small menu icon that stays visible in the corner. The sidebar will pop right back on, so you can quickly navigate and jump back into your work. So that's it. That's how to hide the sidebar in Fluid.io. Make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.